We've got 700 lights to build between now and Christmas, and we've never built that many in such a short time. Well, I'm excited to be back at the unit this week. We've been at Futurescape all week and it has been our busiest month ever. We've done over £80,000 in turnover. I know turnover is vanity. We're definitely not quite at the break-even point yet. We should be about there by about Christmas time, hopefully, with some extra orders coming. So here's the big thing. What we need to sort out is our flow. Basically, what we have is our parts coming off the Novemeber that's kind of a little bit out of shot on that side. Came round our vibratory tumbler, all anodising tanks, coming out the end there, into powder coating, or onto the racks, into powder coating, and then down this line and back out the door again. And this line is the bit we need to solve. Machining, vibratory finishing, anodising is going pretty well. There's a few things that we can tweak there, but this is the real key bit. I think you can kind of tell it's a little bit rough and ready. Let's see if I can talk you through with a little bit more detail. So here we have our trays. Now you can see it's all an absolute unorganised mess at the minute, but that's because we've got way too much parts and it's to do with this really large order that we have. So this is one of our trays. And these trays, I'll bring it out here if it will decide to focus, maybe it will, maybe it won't. These trays take all our parts. Now these trays, I already made them with little rail cutouts. And the idea was that they go on these tracks just here and they just flow down that line. So at the moment we get the cable coming off the cable cut and strip machine. They go into this fantastic little laser jig just over here, and they get laser marked along with the rod or the back or whatever may go in here. And then they move down and then they're injection molded in here, and then finally they're assembled and then packed, although there isn't much of a packing station right now. We've just recently taken out our electronics station. So there's lots and lots of work to do there. So progress, let's see. So basically we've got aluminium frames up here. We had a massive water leak, classic. And yeah, anyway, so we've got the aluminium frames in place. Mark's doing a bridge section just here, so hopefully it'll come up and down. And I made this morning. This is like the rail section for the trays to go down, so that they'll just flow straight down there. So next we've got to get the injection mould up higher. Max needs it higher, so I think that's going to be the next thing that we're doing. So this is what we built so far to help expedite our whole line. We've done these trays that you can see kind of lays down, and everything is brought to the same plane height. So the lasering just works right over those rods. Mark gets to feed those from the powder coating area just there, and it works really well. But there's still a lot more work to do, and so we've got a lot more extrusion to put in. So we are 2 weeks outside of Christmas right now. We've had one member off sick for the last 3 weeks. We've got one that's been off sick for the last 3 days. That's effectively 40% of our staff gone. There's only 5 of us. So it's a huge challenge. And bear in mind that November, we ended up doing 104,000. So we had actually in the end over 850 lights to build. Can we do it before Christmas? Well, you'll have to watch next episode and find out.